In this guide, we're going to go over how to install the Konnect Gateway using a virtual machine. In this example, we're going to be leveraging AWS as the cloud environment, and we'll be installing the Konnect Gateway on a virtual machine, so leveraging EC2. This video will be two parts. The first part, we will actually be setting up the virtual machine, leveraging AWS, and in part two, we're going to be installing the Konnect Data Plane proxy, which will connect to our control plane. This specific mode is called hybrid mode. In hybrid mode, it's broken up into two parts. So one, the control plane up top here is managed by Kong. So we manage the control plane for you. The bit that you will manage is the data plane proxy, right? So this is what we'll be installing on our EC2 instance. And then we'll be able to proxy to that endpoint through the data plane. If you want to follow along with the instructions, I'll provide a link for the full list of instructions on how to set up the EC2 instance, as well as deploy the data plane proxy in the video. There are some prerequisites for this demo here. So we will need access to the Konnect Control Plane. You will also need AWS account access, as well as the ability to SSH to the EC2 instance in order for us to actually install the data plane proxy. You'll also need root or root equivalent access when you have access to that EC2 instance. So with that, I'll get started and install the EC2 instance or set it up on our AWS account. If I navigate over to the tab here, I'm already logged into my AWS account, and we're just going to search for the EC2 service. Specify the region that you want to deploy this in. I'm just going to leave it as Oregon. And we're going to launch a new instance. So here I can give it a name called Konnect Data Plane. I'm going to leave it as Amazon Linux for the install. You can specify the AMI as well as the instance type. I already have a key pair that I can use to connect to the EC2 instance, so I'm going to specify this one, but you can generate a new key pair if you need to. I'm going to create a new security group. I'm going to allow SSH access as I need to get access to our EC2 instance in order to install the data plane. I'm also going to enable it for HTTPS and HTTP traffic so that we can access our proxy. I'm also going to leave the configuration storage as the default. Just to mention as well, I'm going to auto assign a public IP address so that we can get quick access to our proxy. Once I'm happy with this, I'm just going to launch the instance. It'll take a few minutes for the EC2 instance to get set up, so I'm just going to pause the video for now while this gets created.